Yeah, where I keep my pen.
A 3-pound package of bees. And in order to keep them calm and busy while I take them out of their cage, I'm going to just spray them down with some syrup.
They're not very loud right now.
Top off here. This is always the trickiest part.
Is that the queen in there? In the can?
Yeah, no, this is just syrup, this can.
Oh. Where's the queen?
Let me do this real quick. I'm gonna bonk them.
I didn't know that was dirt truck. I thought that was dirt truck.
Where's the queen?
Daddy's in there. Do you see that little box? The little rectangle box?
I don't see
Next
it.
to the can in the cage?
There we go.
Throw it at me.
They're coming out. I think so.
Where are we? This is not.
Look. Look. Oh, I think they're trying to fly away. Why not? I think they just heard me.
Look for the long bee with a blue dot on her back. Might be tough with all those worker bees are feeding her basically.
Are they? Okay.
Can you see her?
I cannot.
Look for a blue dot on the back of her neck.
I cannot see a otter worker.
Staple this. That way they just kind of work at releasing the, oh, you know what? Forgot to take the cork out.
I look, there's a bee right on the bottom.
There we
See
go.
it.
There we go. Alright.
Let's look at
Little
it.
cork. And it'll eat away at the little sugar plug in there. Let her out. Alright, so now comes the fun part, which is dumping the bees in the hive.
Yeah.
Let me see. You might want to just be ready.
No one would be in there for this place.
Why do you want it like
Alright. Give them one more. Here comes the bees.
Woo! Whoa!
Oh my goodness. Weird.
Those dudes are getting real mad. They're like so mad.
We'll just leave the rest of them inside and underneath the hive so they can find their way in eventually.
Should I worry about the one on my finger?
It's a death sentence for them, so it may or may not happen. They're buzzing around me. I don't want to speak too soon, but so far so good, knock on wood here.
You have a couple on your hat.
So we'll find out if they decide to stick around. So I got a lot of things going in my favor this time. I got comb already built.
They like that?
Yeah, gives them something to start off of, makes them feel more at home. I put lemongrass in the hive. That's like a beekeeper favorite. They seem to like lemongrass.
I think it's a plant. It might be like an herb.
I put a board on the bottom of the
Smells good,
floor,
like it.
which was recommended to do.
Daddy.
Yeah, Jack?
Don't try to check on them so much.
And I will not check on them too often. That's the other thing.
Yeah, don't check on them too much because then they won't like that.
Come on, get out of the way. This bee won't move. Let's put my cover board over the feeder can.
I don't know.
Got a few on my hand.
No, I didn't want to see that.
I've had a few come over and visit me here, land on me, hang out for a little bit, and then leave.
Try not to crush any of them.
Now the ones that are outside and not in, what happens to them?
They'll eventually go back in. They'll find their way in.
There's
There's like little holes.
right down there. Look, they're already figuring it out.
Nice.
There's two of them are corked to give them like just one hole to defend basically from predators.
Oh, they already figured it out. They're so smart.
It's weird. It's like this won't fit properly.
You just made that be mad. What the heck? Why did you suck there?
I
Jack,
stepped on there?
easy, bud.
No, Cyrus.
All right.
To try to make the bee fly.
Voila.
Voila.
There it is.
All right.
It was an accident.